All right, check out what we bought. These are post caps. Post cap. See that? So, if you ever seen a post cap, can you picture what a post cap is? That's a post cap. And look what it says on the side. It's
Nuvo iron.
Nuvo iron. Okay, whatever that is. But it feels pretty sturdy. So this is what you have to put on top of fence posts so they don't get rotted where it rains a lot. Or where the sun hits it a lot, I guess. Either way. All right, we're going to go do that. We'll be right back. All right, now we're outside. Check it out. Come on, follow me.
Yee.
These ones have seen better days.
Right.
Now it's going to get heavy.
Oh, yeah.
The squirrels
Gnarly.
like to knock them off.
I hope you didn't give me something with spiders in it.
Yeah, it's not as pretty as the copper ones, but look at that one. It used to be copper. Look at this one. It used to be copper
right?
too. Now it's ugly.
Eek. Nice.
I'll put screws in later when I can find my electric drill. But you know how it is when you misplace stuff in the house. All right. We have some dead ones over there that the squirrels already beat up.
Nice.
I think that won't come off as easy. Wow, that fan's seen some better days.
Oh, God. Yeah, we got to get rid of these.
I think we're going to starting to get heavy. That.
Nice.
And another one. Bugs?
Spider.
Spiders?
Is there a spider on me?
I don't know.
Okay.
We had to buy one extra one, I guess, right? Oh, there's...
You did. I thought you knew what you were doing. I'm seeing another spider line. I'm getting nervous.
All right.
Here, you carry this. See?
Spiders.
Spiders. Very nice.
Right,
I still feel like there's spiders on me. No, we're going to toss you.
Anyway.
Yeah. All right. Ooh. Tell us what you think. I know. Are those recyclable?
It looks like it.
Huh. Here's a little behind the scenes of the tiki. All right.
They're not as flamboyant.
Yeah, they look great though. Nice and clean. And they're doing the trick. They're protecting the posts like they need to. Thanks so much, mister.
Feed the squirrels so you don't have to break all your stuff.
Right? What's up with that?
Do we need this box anymore?
Nah. Toss it. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a comment. Let us know what you think. Hope to see y'all again.
Where'd you get them?
We got them at Amazon for $4.99 each. They're a decent price, and they got here fast.
$4.99?
Yeah. With the screws. Yep.
Yeah, they got screws. They got 2 screw holes.
Yep. And someday we're going to get that part going.
Yeah, but right now, we're not too worried because if they fall, they're iron. They're Nuvo iron.
All right. Hope to see y'all again.
Right, sweetie.
Take care.
Have fun in the